The show Jonah was awesome with all his people. And this is only a little part, like a third of the people coming out. Tremendous. A great turnout, you know.
Do you want to stop at the stores?
What's that?
Give some information on Jonah. You know, God is there to save everyone, not just certain people, you know. And God is a healer and He's a deliverer, you know. Like the woman with the issue of blood in Mark chapter 5 and 20. You can start at the 24th verse, you know, talk about the one with the issue of blood. She made a connection with God. Are you willing to make a connection with God?
Look at all that avoided.
The restroom.
Pastor Curtis Bradley.
Yeah, because that's kind of like
right here in a Puma outfit. Great man of God, you know, Deacon Jeremiah right here. Evangelist Purdy right here with the beautiful pocketbook right here. Mother Millie. That's a mother with her. Evangelist Purdy right there with Mother Millie. And the white sweater right there. That's Brother Brandon, Brother Emmanuel, the pastor's son, pastor's daughter, right here. Brittany, she's a great singer.
It's a little quicker to come right on up the ramp.
Courtney, Prophet Courtney, good singer. Sharon, to the church, First Lady right there in that purple or violet color sweater there. Beautiful. Pretty. She just waved to you. Brandon, pastor's son, pastor brother. Pastor other son, Emmanuel. Good musician, he can play. This is Deacon Brown.
Hey.
And God the praise.
Great play, great show, great message. I really enjoyed it. Brother Lloyd.
Awesome.
Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord.